About 4 years ago, I went to Jerusalem where the Romans had built aqueducts, and I got to see where they had actually taken granite stone and volcanic stone and bored it out, chiseled it out, making very short pipe segments and sticking them together and putting cement and tar between them to seal it up and making a pipeline. Very primitive, but it worked for the time. And as time has evolved, we've used clay tile, asbestos cement, wood even, and cast iron. But the latest evolution starting in 1939 was ductile iron, and then that was commercialized in water pipe standards in 1965, and then PVC was invented some time ago, but first commercialized in water pipe standards in 1966, and then polyethylene had been invented in the 1940s, and they commercialized that into polyethylene pipe specifications in 1967. But the polyethylene is extremely inert. It's one of the most inert chemicals on the planet. And at the time, in the 60s going into the 70s, there were a lot of screwed steel pipe fittings and joints rusting out, and gas was escaping and blowing up houses and causing fires. So the government said, we got to stop this. And so polyethylene seemed to be the perfect answer. So in the 1970s and 80s, polyethylene demand increased going into the natural gas market just after the baby boom coming out of World War II in the 1940s, next generation, 1960s. So polyethylene became the predominant material in oil and gas gathering and in natural gas distribution.